Have you ever wondered how the greatest war in history truly began? Why was a king sitting far from the battlefield so afraid of what was about to happen? And why does the Bhagavad Gita begin not with wisdom but with fear? Today we will uncover the deep meaning of Bhagavad Gita chapter 1 various 1, a various that carries the pain, tension and destiny of Mahabharat itself. Various in Sanskrit, Dhritarashtra Uvach, Dharm Kshetra, Kurukshetra, Samvita, Yuyutsava, Mamka Pandavashchava, Kim Krutva, Sanjaya. King Dhritarashtra asked Sanjay, O Sanjay, what did my son and the sons of Pandu do after gathering on the holy land of Kurukshetra, desiring to fight? Imagine this, a massive battlefield, thousands of warriors standing face to face, dust rising into the air, hordes roaring, conch shell echoing across the land. Everyone knows one thing, devastating war is about to begin. But for everyone knows one thing, a devastating war is about to begin. But far away from the battlefield, inside the royal peace of Hastinapur, sits a blind king, Dhritarashtra, a man who was not only blind by eyes, but also blind by attachment and greed. Deep inside, he already feared the truth. He knew his sons were standing on the side of Adharma. And so the Bhagavad Gita begins with a question, Kim Krutva, what did they do? But this was not just a question, it was the fear of a father, the anxiety of a king, and the beginning of a destruction. Now notice something very important. Dhritarashtra say, Mamka, my son, and separately Pandavas, the son of Pandav. Why did he call them all one family? Because this mind was already divided. Attachments and attachment has destroyed his sense of fairness. And this single feeling of favoritism become one of the biggest reason behind the Mahabharat war. These various teach us something powerful. When attachments, ego, and favoritism control the mind, destructions becomes inevitable, just like Dhritarashtra. Many times of life we supported what is wrong, even when we know the truth, and that is where inner conflict begins. The first various of the Bhagavad Gita is not about war, it is about the weakness of human's mind, and that is why the Bhagavad Gita is not just a book, it is guide of a life itself. If you want me to explain every various of the Bhagavad Gita, so like the video, subscribe the channel and comment Jai Shri Krishna.